So the Hallmark store has a after Christmas sale, and most of their ornaments are 75% off. So that means that some of their expensive ornaments are a lot cheaper. So today we're going to look at another one of the All-American Truck Series vehicles. Today we're going to look at the 2021 Ram 1500. I will just tell you right now, I'm going to call this a Dodge. It's going to come out. Robert Hurlburt is a Hallmark artist you can read about on the back. Now this Ram feels like it's pretty heavy. See, this one has a cardboard tube inside of the box. The paper is wrapped in. The tube must be glued in the box. Got 2 rounds of paper on it. Yeah, so I don't know if I mentioned or not, this one is die cast. There's the base of it. Just get that out of the way now. This one actually, for a Christmas ornament, is kind of unusual as they detailed the base on it. If we look at our greased lightning here, this is what a typical Christmas ornament base looks like. But this one's actually pretty detailed. You got engine and transmission and exhaust and a drive shaft and a spare tire and a hitch receiver. All kinds of goodies underneath there. This is quite a detailed little model. It's got nice detailed wheels and even the sidewalls on the tires. Got the Ram on the grill. Got those newfangled LED headlights. It says 2021 on the bumper. That's interesting. Because the box, because it's a 2021 truck. Okay, so the back probably says 2022. There we go. I guess the Ford that I did earlier said 1972 on the front. So I don't know, that threw me off, I guess. In general, I wouldn't have bought this, but it was, I think, like $6 with the sale, so I thought this was awful nice for $6. I do notice this one doesn't have any interior door panels. It does have an interior though, and it looks like for what is there is detailed. Now there can't be a lot of detail on the front of the dashboard right there because that's where that big screen goes, but you can see some knobs and buttons and things down below that hint that maybe this thing does have at least some detail. It's got a moonroof in the top, and that's what the little metal hook is attached to. A little antenna back there, sliding back window, cargo light. It's got a tonneau cover. It says Ram Hemi 4x4 on the back. Pretty nice one. I'll get this on the turntable for you guys. Rolls good. Like, comment, subscribe for more. Have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next video. I guess I just assumed from reading the magazines and things about the Ram Rebel that this was a Rebel, and it does not specify that. It just says Ram 1500. I guess a lot of the Rebels are red, I guess is why I assumed that. Just a regular old Hemi Ram.